to do? There's a lot to do. So let's get started. Bubble this onto here. There we go. Then it looks like we're going to get this out. Let's use some magic to get it out. So, okay. It looks like we have a battery holder to put in. Never try this alone at home. And make sure there's someone to help you. Now I need a battery. Yes. Now that we've got our batteries, I am going to be putting this one right here. Is one of them on? It looks like the wiring is done. Alright, batteries are in. Let's see if it works. Whoa, that's cool. Let's get some bubble mix and go outside. Now the liquid is in. Let's turn it on.